My dad didn't send up. My dad didn't send up the basket, so we have to use a laundry basket.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Tom, you go first.
Okay. Let's go. Go. Fine.
Oh!
Bad luck.
Bad luck. Next try. Next time. I'm scared because the spiders in there. Anyway. Remember that.
Have good luck to all of you if you want to do this at home.
Ha! Oh! No!
Good try. Good try. My turn.
I hit the edge. I hit the edge.
I feel sorry for you, even though I'm a soccer player. Okay. I have faith in myself. Fudge. So close.
I gotta do some foul jumps.
Soccer style.
Oh! No!
Okay. So far, nobody's gotten anything. Zero. But we still have faith in each other.
Yes, we do.
Okay, I got faith in myself. Fudge.
No, good try.
Thanks.
Good try.
Hope you guys will enjoy this. Your turn next, Ninja.
Thank you very much.